In this video, we are going to see a new way of entering data in Excel. Let's first have some column names. Let's assume our first column is first name, then maybe last name. We can have gender. We can have maybe location. We can have like contact. Let's have these ones. So the traditional way of entering data into Excel is by coming to each independent cell and you start entering data manually like this. So this is the method we all use, but there is another fast and efficient way of doing it. So how are we going to do it? First of all, let me first delete this data I had put. So I'm going to first select, first of all you select the column names, the header, then after you press Alt D, then plus O. You press them at once, Alt D O. So when you press it, this window is going to pop up, and then you say OK. So now you can see that in this box that pops up, we are going to have all column names that we have created. You can see first name, last name, gender, location, and then contact. Then you start entering names here. So I can put Kato, maybe James. Then you put gender. You can put location, any location you want, like this. Then after you can put contact. Then after you place new. And now you can see that our data is automatically entered in the cell, and automatically it will delete the data you have put here, and it will be transferred to the row, but based on the column name. So you can as well enter other things. So you can enter another information like this. So something like this. Then after you press, and it will keep on adding from where the last one stopped.